हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 16 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इंडियाज फर्स्ट एवर इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट हेरिटेज विल बी हेल्ड इन, एंड द आंसर इज न्यू दिल्ली। Second question, who has been appointed as the 29th Chief Justice of the Madhya Pradesh High Court? And the answer is Sanjeev Sachdeva. Third question, how many medals were won by India at the Archery World Cup 2025 Stage 4 held at Madrid? And the answer is 3. Fourth question, who has authored the book 10 Paise Ka Postcard? And the answer is S.A. Ahmed. Fifth question, who was recently appointed as a senior advisor to Goldman Sachs? And the answer is Rishi Sunak. Sixth question, who became the first male cricketer in professional cricket history to take 5 wickets in 5 balls? And the answer is Curtis Camphor. Seventh question, India's first indigenous quantum secure satellite is being developed in partnership with whom? And the answer is Synergy Quantum. Eighth question, which state government created a record by planting 37.21 crore saplings on 9 July 2025? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. Ninth question, who became world's first country to launch the Traditional Knowledge Digital Library? And the answer is India. 10th question, Yaktin village of which state was announced as India's first digital nomad village? And the answer is Sikkim. 11th question, Patriot air defense missile system is developed by which country? And the answer is United States. 12th question, recently India to get next gen bullet trains from which country? And the answer is Japan. 13th question, who has recently been appointed as the interim MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank? And the answer is Raghavendra Srinivas Bhatt. 14th question, who has been appointed as new MD and CEO of Life Insurance Corporation of India? And the answer is R. Doraiswamy. 15th question, recently world's oldest marathon runner dies at the age of 114. Who was he? And the answer is Fauza Singh. 16th question, in which state BITS Pilani has announced that it will build India's first AI Plus campus? And the answer is Andhra Pradesh. 17th question, in 2024-25, which state became India's leading producer of processed potatoes? And the answer is Gujarat. 18th question, who won the 15th Hockey India Sub-Junior Women National Championship 2025? And the answer is Hockey Jharkhand. 19th question, who has been named the ICC Men's Player of the Month for June 2025? And the answer is Aiden Markram. 20th question. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court? And the answer is Justice Bivu Bhakru. 21st question. The Maputo Protocol was adopted by which organization? And the answer is African Union. 22nd question. Which ministry has launched the ADEE-TIE scheme to boost industrial competitiveness, job and climate action? And the answer is Ministry of Power. 23rd question. The Jarwa tribe is primarily found in which state or union territory? And the answer is Andaman and Nicobar Island. 24th question. Pong Dam Lake Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. 25th question. Which state government has launched a campaign to revive 75 small rivers and tributaries in July 2025? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. 26th question. According to Section 19 of the Representation of the People Act, who is eligible to be enrolled in the electoral roll of a constituency? And the answer is only a person who is an ordinary resident in that constituency. 27th question. The interstellar comet 3I Atlas were recently discovered by using which telescope? And the answer is Atlas telescope. 28th question. Bhadrakali Lake that was recently seen in news is located in which state? And the answer is Telangana. 29th question. When is International Day of Justice observed every year? And the answer is 17th July. And the last 30th question. From which state was the indigenously developed beyond visual range air-to-air missile Astra with radio frequency seeker successfully test fired? And the answer is Odisha. तो ये थे 16 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है एट विच प्लेस वॉज द मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज नेम्ड प्रचंड शक्ति कंडक्टेड बाय द राम डिवीजन ऑफ द इंडियन आर्मी। सो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।